So what session are you in this morning?
I'm in the leadership class.
Okay.
Leadership workshop.
All right, and what are you learning about?
Everything. Honestly, no, it's, so I'm not in a leadership or management position right now.
Okay.
But he is giving kind of a full-on explanation of what a leader should be, what a manager should be, some tips on how to help the management system, how to become in that position, what to do now, what to do in the future, and it's been really good.
Excellent. So is this aspirations that you have for your future in forensics?
Yes, absolutely.
What is your dream job? What do you want to do?
I would like to run a lab.
Okay.
I've wanted to do forensics since high school, so this is kind of a dream come true to be in the field in the first place.
Okay.
So I want to progress as much as I can and help the field as much as I can.
What got you excited about it in high school?
Actually, my sophomore year biology class. So
Really?
Mainly learning about genomics and genetics, and learning that just looking at the DNA, or looking at mutations in DNA, and kind of finding how people can die based on their own genetics.
Sure.
And then it kind of stemmed from there, and I grew into the whole love of forensics and the DNA field and all that.
Okay.
So it's grown since then.
So how long have you been a forensic scientist?
About 2.5 years.
2.5 years. Have you worked any high-profile cases?
I've worked a couple cold cases.
Okay.
Yes.
And how'd they work out?
One is currently open and active.
Okay. I won't ask you about that one then.
No.
We'll move on.
It's pretty good. Yeah. No.
Okay.
We have a lead, or we have a few leads now, and we have a profile. It's just a matter of finding someone to compare that profile to.
For reals, what was the substance that you got the DNA from?
It was an article of clothing.
Okay.
So I was able to swab for some contact DNA.
Okay.
And also there was semen identified on the item.
Wow.
So we were able to get a male profile from that, and
Okay.
so now it's just a matter of finding another male to compare that to, because so far we've struck out with our other leads.
Okay. So how do you go about finding that match? I mean, are there databases or other things like that?
Right now it's kind of in the hands of the Texas Rangers.
Okay.
So they're following all their other investigative leads.
Okay.
We've done what we could. They are doing some of the familial searches
right.
to try to get some other leads. But now it's just up to the Rangers doing their investigative leads and following the questions that they have.